How alien are you, that every sunrise you translate the direction of the light? How alien are you, that your folded roots still wait at the bottom of a suitcase for future soil? How alien are you, that sneaky foxes sound like lions to you? How alien are you, that even the sound of rain falls differently? How alien are you, that nobody knows how many snowmen you built as a child, that you were loved too, that your winters also had hands. How alien are you, that you still keep keys to houses 6,000 years away? How alien are you, that you keep converting time like the dead currency of a vanished town?